Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever deep clean your entire house, stand back, and feel like something is still missing? It's often the little details that make the biggest difference. Today, we're tackling one of those game-changing details, your door handles. Over time, they can get dull, tarnished, and covered in fingerprints, making your space feel less than sparkling. But don't worry, bringing back their shine is super easy. A little bit of polish and a soft cloth can completely transform them. Think about it. Shiny, gleaming doorknobs catch the light and add a subtle touch of elegance. It's a quiet little reminder that care and attention live in every corner of your home. It's a quiet little reminder that care and attention live in every corner of your home. It is a small task with a huge impact on making your home look truly polished and well kept. So let's grab our supplies and get those handles shining. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tips.